Welcome to Today Lifestyle, everyone. I'm over here with Optim Neurosurgery. We're finding a little bit about what makes them stand out from the crowd. Of course, let me introduce you to Dr. Stevenson and Lauren. He's right-hand woman when it comes to everything to do with the practice. Welcome to the show, both of you.
Thanks.
Nice to see you again.
Likewise.
You well?
I'm doing great.
That's what we like to hear. Always high energy.
Yes.
Is he like this in the practice every day?
All the time, every day.
That's what we like to hear.
Well,
Alrighty, what makes you guys stand out from the rest of the crowd?
I think the big thing that makes us a little bit different is you get the best of both worlds. You get a very personal experience. When you come to see us, you're seeing Lauren, you're seeing myself, you're going to interact with everyone in the office, and everyone's going to get to know you. On the other hand, we have our company is 1,500 strong, so you have all the resources, all of the technology, all the everything that a company of 1,500 can give you. So it's really the best of both worlds.
Well, I have to say, Lauren, he's high energy. What's it like working with him on a daily basis?
I love it. I'm a little more mellow, so he keeps me upbeat. I kind of rein him in a little bit, so I think we have a really good working environment. We work well together.
Well, tell everyone a little bit. Of course, you're a nurse practitioner,
Yes.
right? So what's your role within Optim?
I do a lot at our office, so I help Dr. Stevenson see patients. I see patients independently on my own. I order imaging. I'm with him in surgery 2 to 3 days a week, so I really am in the trenches with him.
She runs the place. Basically, I work for her.
True.
Well, more power to you.
Yeah.
Alrighty, one of our viewers read in, what is the advantage in a patient being treated by a hospital owned by your practice? Now explain that to everyone at home.
Okay, so Optim Healthcare,
Yes.
45 physicians, 1,500 employees. We own 3 hospitals.
Right.
And I think the real advantage, and Health Grades has recognized this, is that we control everything. So when you have surgery in one of our hospitals, all we do is neurosurgery and orthopedic surgery. Everyone there does the same thing every day, and Health Grades has recognized us as the only 5-star hospital for spine and joint replacement surgery in the state of Georgia. So infection rate is lower, outcomes are better. There are some real tangible benefits to having surgery at one of our hospitals.
And 2, I was a nurse before I was a nurse practitioner. I did ortho spine on the floor. So just from my perspective, the nurses that take care of our patients, that's all they do is ortho and spine. So they're very knowledgeable. They know the do's and don'ts for the patients, how to tell them to do things, appropriately. So I feel like, even nursing care is more beneficial.
What does that 5-star actually mean?
I'm not going to lie, I don't have all the granular data, but Health Grades looks at hospitals and things like the length of stay, infection rate, patient ratings, and gives basically a grade to the hospital encompassing multiple different things.
Okay.
And
we can't get much higher than 5, right?
No, that's it.
You're the top of the level. Alrighty, well, what type of experience is a patient going to have coming to Optim?
Well, when you come to our office, really, what we don't want to have is that experience where a patient is sitting in a room and the doctor sticks his head in the room and says, okay, talk to so-and-so about scheduling your surgery. Lauren and I, we sit down together with the patient. That we give them all the time they need to explain things, ask questions. I'm not getting up, or Lauren's not getting up, putting their hand on the door, just saying, oh, I just want to leave this room. We will give you all the time you need to make sure that when you leave, because, look, going to see a neurosurgeon, no one wants to do that. That's, no one wakes up and says, I really want to go talk to a neurosurgeon today. So we want to make the experience as good as it can be, and really want to make people know that when they leave our office, they feel like they've really been listened to and taken care of.
Yeah.
I agree. Now, how long have you been there for, Lauren?
I have been with Dr. Stevenson for a little over 3 years now. We've been at Optim together for a little over 2.
Right.
Now, obviously, you're a great salesman, I have to say, and also a great surgeon.
Well, my father was a salesman, so maybe it's genetic.
So when you hear him talking about the office like that, does that give you a sense of purpose, a sense of pride to be part of that? And when the patients are coming in, they're seeing those great results?
Yeah, what I love about my job is that I get to see a patient start to finish. Like, I get to help diagnose them, we operate, we see the outcome, so I really enjoy that I get to see it start to finish. I'm not just in the clinic or just in the operating room.
That's fantastic. We appreciate both of you coming in again.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Look forward to seeing you again, Lauren. If you want to find out more information about Optim Neurosurgery, there it all is up on the screen. Give them a call. They're going to take care of all of your needs. Back after this short break.